In this video, I want to show you the difference between using a target channel and a focus channel. It's important to understand the difference between a target channel and a focus channel because you can only use one or the other with your camera channel. So I want to make sure that you really understand the difference. Before I jump into those though, let's review really quick what the camera channel is for. So if we look at our previs, for example here, this blue line defines the path of the camera. Where is the camera in space? Now the green line, this is representing the target channel. So a target channel defines a very specific path or point, if you only have one keyframe, in space that the camera is going to be looking at. So the camera channel defines the position of the camera. The target channel, though, really defines a lot of the orientation of the camera. Where is it looking? It also defines the focus distance, right? Now, a focus channel, on the other hand, is different. A focus channel is really, if you just want to move your camera around in space and change your focus as you do that, that's when you want to use a focus channel. So when you're using a focus channel, the camera channel now includes all of the data about the orientation of the camera. The focus is just the focus value. So for example, you might want to use this if you're flying through a scene in space. You're not looking at anything specific. You just want to move your camera through a scene and change focus. That's one example of when you might use a focus channel. So again, target channel, you're looking at something very specific throughout the move. Focus channel, you're moving your camera and pulling focus.